Hey, folks, we'll get to tropical depression number 3 in just a moment. We want to talk about this rain falling over the valley right now, though. You've seen the pictures, you've seen the video. It is coming down hard. We're seeing street flooding in a number of places. It's that kind of stuff when you get 2 or 3 inches of rain in an hour or so, no matter how good your drainage system is, water's going to back up. And that's what we're seeing in parts of the valley. We'll go to the lower valley first this time. Flood advisory for the Brownsville area till 5:45. Most of the rain moving out of Brownsville as we speak. That's allowing the temperatures to warm back up just a little bit. Go to the north, though, Harlingen. Most of Harlingen seeing heavy rain. This red right down Harrison and Tyler. It's coming downtown on the south side of town. Raining pretty good on the north side. It's just a little heavier on the south side down through San Benito. A little bit of a break right now. Then look at this. The expressway back through La Feria. I just checked traffic there. It is almost at a standstill with the heavy rainfall there. Back through Mercedes to Weslaco. Then there's a little bit of a break between Weslaco and Donna. There's a new flood advisory. Just came out in effect until 7:15 for the mid-valley, basically. And there's not much rain in most of Donna yet, but it's coming from both directions. Then you get to the upper valley, and it's raining basically from Donna all the way to Far, the heavy stuff, and then you get to South McAllen, finally letting up there. Go a little farther north, all of Edinburgh seeing rain up through Doolittle, north of town. It's finally stopping in Alton, Mission not seeing much anymore. And again, McAllen, the heavy stuff, most of it is east of you. This is 10th Street, so most of it is east of 10th Street now. So I think things will improve in McAllen, but they're not going to improve east of McAllen out into Norillo and Lopezville, places like that, east of I-69C, along 107 east of town. There's a lot of rain there right now. We'll get some ground truth on that a little bit later on. This stuff will continue into the evening hours, partially fueled by daytime heating, which is going away pretty quickly with the rain. And with that, I think things will quiet down. May not go completely rain-free tonight, but things will quiet down in the next couple of hours. But in the meantime, if you're going somewhere, just give yourself a little time or just hold off until the rain lets up. Future Track suggests that by 8 o'clock, we're seeing stuff still mainly in the western part of the valley, and by midnight, you just with leftover showers, that's it. It should move out. And tomorrow, compared to today, will be quieter, I think, but still showers and a couple of thunder showers around. Here's your sea breeze trying to form about noon and pushing inland. So again, I think there'll be activity tomorrow, but just not as active as today. I think we're getting to where things are going to start tapering off now the next few days as the big storm system triggering this starts to move away from us. So you see your rain chances kind of stair-stepping down, 20% each night, but 40% tomorrow, 30% Wednesday, and 20% Thursday. Thursday night probably dry. And then I think Friday and the weekend are probably dry across the area. Temperatures start going back up as the rain chances go down. Here's tropical depression number 3, formed officially at 4 o'clock valley time this afternoon. Here are the coordinates, and you saw they were on the screen in a hurry, but they're gone. Winds are 30 miles per hour, moving to the west-northwest at 7, but through Thursday, it's right there. It hasn't moved for the next 3 or 4 days. That makes it really difficult to say where it's going to go. After that, we do believe it will move northward after that, but look how big the cone of uncertainty goes. By Saturday, it's out in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico. That's about as much you're going to get on that, and the model's kind of all over the place after that. So for tonight, partly to mostly cloudy with isolated showers left over. Heavy stuff this evening, and then it tapers off. Then tomorrow, mostly cloudy, scattered storms. Chance of rain a little lower than today, but there's still rain around the area. The next 7 days, take a look. 88, 90, 91. The rain chances start to fade away, and while there could be an isolated or stray shower storm over the weekend, it's drier by Monday, back to 96. That tells you we're really drying out. After that, it depends on the movement of depression number 3, which we think probably somewhere east of us, but after that, a lot of question marks. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.